Let's play another round to see how these 3 wildcards can be used in the gameplay. This is the first card and I'm selecting the value for protein interactors, which is 2581. Now the next person has this card. Value for protein interactors is 752. So this person has the option to pick a card from the central pile. So let's see. So now the card that comes up is a wild card, which is technology. Using technology, the value of the gene feature can be modified. This value of 752 can be increased to say 8000. So now the first person has the value of 2581. Second person has increased the value to 8000 using the card technology. Now let's see what the third person has. Now the third person gets 328 as the value. So now when this person picks up a card, another wild card, which is mutation, comes up. So with the mutation card, you can select another gene feature, which could be, in this case, the number of mutations. As this player will announce the value of number of mutations, the other 2 players will also look at their respective cards. You can see by looking at these 3 cards that the third person is the winner and will take the cards from the other 2 players and keep it with themselves. The third player who won the last round is now going to open the next round. So let's see another example. So now this is the card which the third player has, and 237 again, the interacting proteins is what this player is selecting. Now let's see the first player. That player has 507, which is more than what this person has. So now this person calls that out. Second player has the value of 1289. Second player wins the other 2 cards and will keep it now with themselves. The next round will be opened up by the second player. Let's look at the card of the second player in the next round. It's this one. In this case, 886 is the gene length which the player is selecting. So for the next player, the value is 1195. So this person is going to win unless, let's see what the third person has. Now player has 1173, which is lesser than the previous card's value. Now this player again will pick up a card from the pile, and hey, we have another wild card, evolution. And in the case of evolution, you don't have to do anything. Let evolution take on its course. So you pick up 2 cards from the pile. You also get the cards of the other 2 players, and there's our winner. So this wild card you're going to drop back and not keep it with yourself. And while you're picking up the 2 cards, you have to make sure if it's a wild card, you put it back, shuffle it back into the central pile. So the cards that you're picking up should be only gene cards. At any point of time, you can decide to end the game. And you can then count the number of cards which you have. Whoever has the largest number of cards will win. Another way to decide the winner is to calculate the percentage of genome that each person has. You can add up the gene lengths that are there, and whoever gets the maximum sum total will be the winner.